If you just stop that.
I don't know what he's doing. What are you doing? No, he's having a chat in the middle of the road. That's what he's doing.
Wow.
Do you know what? I'll let the bus go. He looks like a nice person. Did I get a thank you?
Nope.
Did I get a thank
He's
you?
the Royal Bell man, did. Just go for it then, why don't you?
I'm not liking bus drivers today, Alexi. I'm not.
That's how Maisie feels about them.
No, I'm not liking bus drivers today. Dickheads. That was a blatant red light. Well, not bad. Oh no. The bus can't pull in his bus stop because some clown in a little Corsa has stolen it from him. What a bellend. Yeah, I know. I would get angry as well if I was that bus driver. You're still in the bus stop, you nubbin. What an asshole. No fucks given. Turn your lights on, man. Turn your lights on, innit? And then you would have a much better time driving. What is wrong with people lately, man? I know it's winter time and it's a little bit chilly. And it is a Friday evening. But, Jesus Christ. What's wrong with people? He's done all this road and he's still not realised he's got his lights off. That's pretty special, to be honest. That is pretty damn special. I wonder how long he's going to actually go and drive with no lights on. It's this, I don't know, whatever.
I can watch it on my iPad, but if the living room's warm and you're busy upstairs.
Because that's a stupid place to cross with a baby in it. Considering there's a little crossing point just there and behind me.
And she's on the phone as well.
Well, that makes a difference. She's not driving, is she?
But still.
No, you don't just walk across the road in the dark with a kid, do you? Right in the middle of it. When there's a crossing thing just there. Yeah?
Yeah.
Unless you're a bit stupid. So you go through the red light and then... Oh, he's an old man, never mind. And there's a fucking Agilia! Go on, do it. Oh no.
He ain't going for, he's quite fast, mate,
Yeah,
isn't he?
sorry, how he speeds up, doesn't he?
Yeah.
In the wrong position in the road though to do that. Oh, whatevs.
He went for a red light.
Not bad.
I know.
Cyclist dickheads, man. Come on, you've only got a little car, man. You can't drive. Oh my god, what are you doing? Come on. You're starting to annoy me now. I'm not going to bore you with the footage from earlier, but it's going 15 miles an hour and just weaving all over the place. It can't drive in a straight line and then can't decide which way it's going. I don't like Mondays, and it's only got one brake light. You're special, man. You're special. You're actually special. No, you're special. You're special. Special. Ooh, speed up. 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 We're going 15 miles an hour.
We weren't going that
You
minute,
gotta be a bit of a knob, aren't you, to pull out in front of someone and then not bother to speed up. Speed up! Speed up! They call me mental in the comments, they do.
I agree. Totally agree.
Yeah, well, I haven't swore yet, have I? So,
Yeah.
dickhead.
Ooh.
Make my annoyance known, isn't it?
Yeah. You definitely made it known.
I could have just beeped, to be honest. But that would be illegal. Wheel spinning is not illegal.
Why is it illegal to beep your horn at somebody?
Well, you can't just beep at people. The horn is like, you can, if someone pulls out in front of you, I suppose you would beep. The horn is to warn other people of your presence. Yeah?
Yeah. So horn them.
No.
Use your horn. I'm on my way.
Yeah, but no, technically no. If you're going down a country lane, yeah, and you can't see around the corner, you go toot toot to let everyone know that there's another car around, yeah?
Right.
If you can't see around the corner, or someone's pulling out, reversing from their driveway and they can't see you, you go toot toot, so they know that you're coming, yeah? You can't beep at people just because you're annoyed at them. Everyone does, that's just the standard thing to do, but technically, if you're to follow the highway code, you shouldn't beep at people to show your annoyance.
Oh, what a load of crap.
Agreed.
It's proper crap, isn't it?
Yeah. But
You should just beep everywhere. I'm on my way. Beep. Exactly.
that was illegal. That was illegal.
No, you're telling them. You're on the way. And these people don't use their mirrors, so they know you're behind them, man. Oh dear.
What are you doing for?
Why is everyone stopped?
Well, everyone's a bit shocked because that BMW was using his indicator, so
And it was, wasn't
they're
it?
not too sure what was going on. That clip was actually pretty good. I'm going to have to use it now. It would be a shame to waste it, but I guarantee you, someone will say, right, wait for it, somebody will say, wheel spinning is illegal because you're not in full control of your vehicle. And someone's gonna sit there with their dick out and slap it on the keyboard now. They are. That's what they're gonna do, and they're gonna moan at me for wheel spinning now. There's a path each side of the road. Oh, my bad. I was gonna have a go at it then. If you call him a weirdo, but I think for the week, yeah, Alexi. I will, however, take the piss out of this one. We're parked in the keep clear space. Laugh with me, Alexi.
I'm just looking at a new shop.
No, don't worry about the new shop. Laugh with me. That's a dirty
It
bitch.
is a dirty bitch.
Dirty bitch. Uh-oh, naughty. That's what happens when you don't pay car tax.
Was that a police mini?
I think so. You've seen that, didn't you? You've seen that.
Police mini. Oh, you got 2 thank yous.
That's nice. Although he's just started to keep clear space. What? We'll family friendly this one. Beep.
What a beep!
I'm gonna try. I gotta try and do an entire episode without any.
You're just gonna do a beeping episode.
No swearing at all. I didn't swear then. I just beeped myself. Yeah. But still, he shouldn't be stopped in there. Not bad.
Straight over that roundabout.
Cheeky little sod, and then he jumped anyway. But you're allowed to do that apparently, according to the comments on my videos. You're allowed to jump over roundabouts like that.
That's why it's called a roundabout for a reason. You go around the roundabout.
You tell them that. Tell them now. Tell them off. Tell them off. Tell them off. Tell them off.
So say what?
Tell them off for being idiots.
You're an idiot.
Yes. Oh, red light. I'm calling that a red light because you could easily have stopped then, the knobhead. Go.
No, don't let him go.
You are fucking vicious, aren't you?
Right, we're stuck in traffic, right?
Yep.
You're letting another car go. You
Yep.
can go past the green light and it can stop when there's some red light.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
But I was being nice.
Oh, so you let 2 go now? Oh, that's alright, they're going. It's fine, I'll let you off. They've both gone.
You've got problems today, haven't you?
Oh, it just...
In your best Bristolian accent, say it.
What was that?
Dirty batch!
You dirty bitch!
Dirty. Like
Dirty bitch!
better than that, you could do better than that.
Well, no, is there dirty bitch?
No, you ruined it. I'm going to have to edit that and I do it again. Energy, enthusiasm.
That was my energy!
Go!
Dirty bitch!
You're a poor man.
Oh, I need a coffee. Once I got my cappuccino, I'll be raring to go. Don't crap at me then.
I'm mature, Alexi. I'm mature.
You're definitely mature.
I am.
No, you're immature.
I am amazing.
Amazing.
Shush!
Oh, does anybody want a kid?